Another guide brought to you by CJ Solutions. That's www.cjsolutions.info. Thanks for watching. This video is a guide only. The content is intended to be used for informational and entertainment purposes only. You are using the video direction and its contents at your own risk. cjsolutions.info makes no representations, warranties or conditions of any kind, express or implied. You're performing these steps at your own risk.
Right folks, what we're going to do for this first step is remove the sheath from the coaxial wire. We do this by running the knife carefully around the wire, making sure to only cut through the top layer. Now you can bend the cable slightly to just check and make sure that the cut is all the way around. Once you're happy that the cut is the whole way around, you should then run the knife along the cable from the cut to the end. Now you should just be able to peel the sheath off. Take the copper braid and twist it together like so. Remove some of the foil, but don't remove all of it. We now need to remove the inner sheath to expose the centre core. Run the knife around the inner sheath like so. This should then just pull off. And there you have it folks, a stripped coaxial cable. Here we have a aerial coax wall socket. If I just turn it over, you can see the circuitry on the back. You can see that there are 3 screws. 2 of these screws are for the grounding plane. You see they're attached to a little clip, and the 3rd screw is for the centre pin. Okay, now what we want to do is undo those screws. Remove the ground clip. We now need to put the cable in place. Attach the centre pin to the centre pin screw, or put it just underneath the centre pin screw. Tighten that screw so that it holds the centre pin in place. We then need to put the ground clip in place and do up the 2 screws for that. And there you have it, 1 wired-in coaxial cable to a wall socket. Happy days.
Be sure to follow us in all the usual places for updates and more guides. Thanks for watching folks, and keep smiling.